Dopamine is unique among chemicals in the brain because dopamine, unlike a lot of chemicals in the brain, works through what are called G-protein coupled receptors. Mostly, neurons communicate by two modes. One are what we call fast electrical synapses. This is a really quick way for one neuron to influence the next. Dopamine doesn't communicate that way. Dopamine is slower. What happens is dopamine is released. Some of that dopamine will bind to the next neuron, and then it sets off a cascade. They're slow, but they also can have multiple cascades of effects. They can impact even gene expression at some level. They can change what a cell actually becomes. They can change how well or how poorly that cell will respond to the same signal in the future. So dopamine works through this slower process, these G-protein coupled receptors. Its effects tend to take a while in order to occur. This aspect of dopamine transmission is important because it now underscores two things. One, there's two pathways for dopamine to communicate, and dopamine can have slow effects, really slow effects, or even very long-lasting effects. And it even can control gene expression. It can actually change the way that cells behave.